Hello everyone, good morning. So today we are going to learn your favorite part of the grammar, story. Okay, so let's read the instruction. Read the story carefully so that you can enjoy and able to write a story. The name of the story is Proud Rose. So before reading the story, I want to show you the live video of the story. So let's have a look on that, because I think it's not colorful, so you might not be found this is that much interesting. So let's make it more interesting by the video.
Only disappointment was that she grew next to an ugly cactus. Every day, the rose would insult the cactus on his looks while the cactus stayed quiet. All the other plants in the garden tried to make the rose see sense, but she was too swayed by her own good looks. One summer, the well present in the garden grew dry, and there was no water for the plants. The rose began to wilt. She saw a sparrow dip her beak into the cactus for some water. Though ashamed, she asked the cactus if she too could have some water. The kind cactus readily agreed, and they both got through the tough summer as friends. Moral of the story is: never judge someone by the way.
Okay, so I think it was nice. Now it was line to line story, but let's read it again. Once upon a time, there was a rose who was very proud on her beautiful looks. Roses are always look beautiful, right? So they used to be proud on themselves that I am the only one who is beautiful. मतलब look में वो अच्छा था. Her only disappointment was that she grew the next to an ugly cactus. उनका एक ही डिसअपॉइंटमेंट था कि वेयर शी ग्रोन अप जस्ट नेक्स्ट टू दी कैक्टस. Every day, the rose would insult the cactus on his looks while the cactus stayed quiet. Every day, Rose was insulting that, oh God, आप कितने गंदे लगते हो, how bad you are, how ugly you are. किसी के लुक के ऊपर से ऐसे हमें कमेंट पास नहीं करनी चाहिए. क्या पता वो कितना अच्छा हो या यूजफुल हो. इज दैट all the other plants in the garden tried to make the rosy see sense, but she was too swayed by her own good looks. सब लोगों ने बहुत ही ट्राई की कि वो ऐसे इंसल्ट ना करे, बट शी वॉज क्वाइट एरोगेंट कि नहीं आई एम द ओनली वन हु इज़ ब्यूटिफुल इन द गार्डन. सो वट हैपन नेक्स्ट? ऑन समर द वेल present the garden grew dry. There was no water in the rose began to wilt. वो विल्ट होने लगा, मतलब उनमें से पानी एकदम कम होने लगा, मुरझाने लगा. रोज़ पानी नहीं था इसलिए. She saw a sparrow dip her beak into the cactus for some water. What sparrow came, and sparrow was maybe thirsty, so she dipped her beak into cactus. Cactus पानी स्टोर कर लेता है. Okay, cactus stored water. तो though ashamed, she asked the cactus if she too could have some water. फिर रोज़ के पास कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं था. ओके, वो बिल्ड हो जाता ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, तो उसने कैक्टस को रिक्वेस्ट किया कि विल यू प्लीज़ गिव मी सम वाटर, कुड आई हैव सम वाटर. द काइंड कैक्टस रेडीली एग्रीड. कैक्टस ने बिल्कुल मना नहीं किया, एंड डायरेक्टली दे बोथ गॉट थ्रू दी तो समर एज अ फ्रेंड. फिर समर में वो दोनों क्या बन गए? फ्रेंड्स बन गए. मतलब रोज़ को पहले कैक्टस अच्छा नहीं लगता था. इट वॉज नॉट ब्यूटिफुल एज रोज़. सो शी वॉज लाइक कि ये तो अगली है, इसमें तो कांटे हैं, बट वी शुड नॉट जज एनी बडी. अगर आज कैक्टस पानी नहीं देता तो रोज़ पूरा डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाता. ओनली कैक्टस सेव्ड हर लाइफ. सो वट वी अंडरस्टूड, never judge someone by the way they look. We already learn story writing 2 or 3 times, right? The main important part is introduction, then the middle part, and the last conclusion with the moral of the story. And we do not forget ever to give name to this story, that is the proud rose. Okay, so it was all about this story. Now we will learn the next story, that is all about one farmer and egg. So let's see that. Before writing, we will understand the points. Farmer in the village had a hen, golden eggs. Farmers become very rich selling golden eggs. Greedy thought to get all eggs at a time, killed the hen and found no eggs. Okay, this is very well known story which almost students must have read or seen somewhere maybe. So let's see that story also. There was one farmer. He found one egg. He took that to his home. He is talking that, will you come to my home? And that farmer pick up that hen and put it in one hen house. Day by day the hen become very healthier and hen started giving golden eggs. Generally कैसे एग देती है वाइट कलर के, बट दीज एग स्टार्टेड गिविंग गोल्डन एग. दैट फार्मर टुक दैट एग इन हैंड. Suddenly he went to the shop to sell and even thanked hen to the very much, and he thanked him like, thank you that you give me golden eggs and how nice it is. He will become, I think, rich. So he went to the shop and he sold it out. Again next day he got one golden egg. Again he went to the home and he sold it out. The day by day the farmer become rich. See how rich he is now, wearing glasses, wearing good chappals and wearing good clothes. He becomes so rich. So he become rich in the village. But now he thought कि मुझे तो पूरे टाउन में रीच बनना है. I want to become richest in the town. So I think उनको धीरे धीरे ये लगा कि now I should cut this hen and I'll take it out all the golden eggs from her. Is it possible? What do you think? But this farmer is becoming more and more greedy. That this hen is very slow. She gives only one egg daily. Why can't you give me all the eggs together? Oh, I want to become the richest now. One day, because of his greed, he cut the hen to get all the golden eggs. Oh no, this hen just cheated on me. They cheated. Why there is no eggs in her stomach? See. Oh no, it is my mistake. Why did I become so greedy? Okay, so the moral of this story is we should not be ever greedy. हमें लालची नहीं बनना चाहिए. अगर हमारे पास what we say बहुत सारे टॉयज़ है, then we should not think कि मुझे ये भी लेना है, ये भी लेना है, ये भी. Whatever we are having, we should be satisfied with that. अभी वो गोल्डन एग को काट दिया, अभी वो एग भी नहीं देगी एंड शी इज़ डेड नाउ. ओके, सो वी हैव टू राइट डाउन दिस स्टोरी. वाई आई शो यू द स्टोरी? बिकॉज it can be easy to remember while writing the points. Okay, so now let's write it down. So let's start writing story, The Golden Egg. Once upon a time there lived a farmer in a village. He had a beautiful hen which laid an egg every day, which was laying egg every day. They are talking about hen here. It was not an ordinary egg. ऑर्डिनरी एग नहीं था, सामान्य एग नहीं था वो. रादर अ गोल्डन एग, बट इट वॉज अ गोल्डन एग. बट द मैन वॉज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विथ वॉट ही यूज टू गेट डेली. ही वॉज गेटिंग one eggs every day and he was not satisfied it. He was get a rich tries, a kind of a person. वो बहुत ही मुझे पैसे वाले बनना है ऐसे काइंड का एक पर्सन था. In the second paragraph, we will write down, the man wanted to get all the golden eggs from his hand at one single go. एक ही बार में उसको सभी egg चाहिए थे. So one day he thought hard. मतलब he thought about something new trick and at last clicked upon a plan. He thought for a long time. Then he had one plan in his mind. He decided to kill the hen. Why he wanted to kill the hen? Because if he will cut the hen, he wanted that I will get all the eggs which I was getting slowly day by day. But I want all the eggs together. Then I will sell it out and I'll become a very rich person in the town. But what do you think if you are in place of the farmer? Would you think on such a type? आप ऐसे ही सोचते? Would you be able to get all the eggs together? Is it possible? Okay, fine. So let's see. He decided to kill the hen and get all the eggs together. So the next day, when the hen laid a golden egg, the man caught hold of it, took a sharp knife, chopped off its neck and cut its body open. He cut his stomach, he cuts his body and neck to take all the golden eggs. But there was nothing but the blood all around and no trace of any egg at all. Egg जैसा बिल्कुल कुछ था ही नहीं, but it started bleeding over then. There was blood all around. He was highly grieved. मतलब उसको अफसोस हुआ बहुत ही. Because now he would not get even one single egg. Because the hen is died now. He cut it down. Moral of this story: one who desires more loses all. If you will desire more, then you will lose all. One should remain satisfied with what one gets. We always have to satisfy whatever things we do have. Okay, so in the story writing, as I always ask you to write down the moral of the story, but in the starting we will write down name of the story, which is most important. Then we start with the introduction part. There was one farmer. He had one egg which was laying golden eggs every day. Then the main part, he wanted all the eggs together and he had one plan to cut the eggs and to collect all the golden eggs. In the last we will write down conclusion. क्या हुआ था story में? When he cut down egg from the neck and opened its stomach, he didn't find anything like eggs. So he lose all the things which he had, like he was getting one egg, that also he lost it. So this was all about conclusion and the main and important part, that is moral. Okay, what we learn from this story, that we should always satisfied with our things. One who desires more loses all. Okay, so it's all about the story. I want every student to write down this in the worksheet.